everyone. So today I'm going to walk through governance in Microsoft Entra ID. Governance is about controlling who has access to what and making sure that access stays correct over time. I'll keep this simple and very high level and show where governance features exist in Entra ID and how they work. Before moving in, uh, we need to understand what exactly governance means. Authentication basically answers who are you. Authorization answers what can you access. But governance goes one step further and it helps you answer should you still have that access. Right? This includes things like reviewing access regularly, automating, removing unnecessary permissions, managing how users request access. All of this is handled within the Microsoft Entra ID governance capabilities. I'm in the Microsoft Entra ID, Admin Center. So here we have ID governance, identity governance. This is where all governance related features are grouped together. So one of it is we have access reviews. One of the key governance feature is access reviews. Access reviews allow organizations to periodically review who has access to groups, applications, roles. For example, you can require managers to review access every 30 days. And if no access is no longer needed, it can be removed automatically. So that's what access reviews are for. Then we have entitlement management. This is used to manage access in a structured way using access packages. Instead of manually assigning permissions, we define a package that includes group memberships, application access, SharePoint, or Teams access, depending on what you need. User can request access and approvals can be configured. Right? This reduces manual access management. It automates it. So that's the use of entitlement management. Then we have most important aspect, that's privileged identity management, or PIM, that's called. Uh, PIM is used to control and monitor high privileged roles like administrators, global admin. Instead of giving permanent access, users get just in time access. This means access is activated only when needed. It can require approval, additional approval, multi stage. It can even require MFA. You can set different aspects for it. This reduces the risk of misuse of privileged accounts and also helps you eliminate standing admin access for them. Without governance, users keep access they no longer need. Privileged roles become permanent. Security risks increase over time. So governance ensures that access is continuously reviewed and controlled. So at a high level, uh, Entra ID governance includes access reviews, entitlement management, privileged identity management. These features help ensure that the right people have the right access at the right time. In future videos, we'll go deeper into each of these areas. Uh, each specific aspect of ID governance. We'll go through each of them in deep. So that's all about Entra ID governance on a high level. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Channel. Thank you.